Yo, Chantel, listen to me. Alright? It's not like you come in and see the girl in the house. If me I give you a bun, at least I have enough manners for you to catch her out of the house. So you see her when she come out of the window. And I like say,
good evening, good evening.
And them thing there. Hold on. Me I call about.
What is?
Me I call about.
My name is Mr. Brown. What is Gyalis in Paris?
Yeah man, Gyalis in Paris, man. You see me?
Your mama name you Gyalis in Paris?
Yeah.
You ever been to Paris?
No, what does that have to do?
You can't speak French?
Yeah.
Oh, Gyalis. Alright. Me know Gyalis, right? Because it takes a Gyalis to know a Gyalis.
The world understand that.
And you is not a Gyalis. Mr. Brown, a Gyalis from a long time that me I tell you, you know. Gyalis in a Paris. You must name Clive or something. What your mama really name about Gyalis in a Paris?
But first of all, this now nothing to do with the driver license. Can we start, please?
Alright, Clive, you ready? Alright, put on your seatbelt and everything. Alright, so you go down there, so and make a left, right?
Yeah. Put it in a drive, right?
Put in a drive. How far would you go? Up to you?
Of course.
Alright.
So yes or no?
Yeah, just go down there, so and make a left, right? Yeah, right there, so.
Right there, so.
Yeah.
Out the road.
Alright.
Yeah, dude. Carrying off on.
Alright, you see that? We after a good start already. Because you know if you make the left. Brother, you know how many people have in this carrier? I'm tell them go make a left and right, them going right.
Because them are fool.
Right? Me have some look at Persian, but him gone right. Me have some look at African girl and African man, you know. Brother, them want come to them look at Azinti something in so the Azinti something dog.
Azunto?
Yeah, them step of some dog. Me tell them a bogle where you do around you so.
Bogle are the thing, man.
Yeah, about Azinti.
Flary and them something.
Yeah, onto them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Finally have a real yard man, you know, boy, yeah.
So I don't tell you, brother.
Okay.
Style bad man.
No, alright. So, me know you maybe have a couple girl, but Gyalis?
Girl in a bunga, brother.
That you say. Alright. Yeah, so let's go straight. Oh, yeah. Is she pretty?
Hold on there.
Yo!
Baby, you're dead.
Psst.
Like a tall buckle of supplement. Oh, yeah, so you don't want to give me a number?
Hey, babes, don't even bother with him. The man can't drive. Him not even have a license, babes. You need a man who can drive. Driving instructor, Mr. Brown.
Brother, we are do.
What?
We are do.
No, I'm just say hello to my future wife, dog. What?
You want this, brother?
No, damn, I show you. I saw real girls do it, dog.
So, you know, some on a car?
Brother, you not even have your driver's license. You have car? Eh? You have car to drive? Let's go straight, man. Man, I talk about. I don't care. Man, not even have license, bro. Really girls have license. That's what I say.
You want some? Overthink cookie?
Overteen?
Yeah.
Dada, that's how me know you's not a girl's brother. Real girls have Milo, and Milo we are dealing around yes, dog. Oh, Milo are the girls drink and thing them brother. Overteen. But girls in a Paris. Mr. Call you just Paris.
So you know what? You know what?
What that?
Nutriment.
Nutriment? No! Real girls don't have nutriment. A supplement girls are deal with. You know, I have to minus 1 point.
Supplement better than nutriment, yeah, you that? Supplement can better than nutriment?
Oh, you mean? Supplement are the something. Nutriment run belly. Supplement give you health and strength for the girl I want to you. Make you turn up. Nutriment make you sit down. That is what girls know.
Make you why
go straight.
Why for that boy you still got fish?
Oh. Minus 1 more point here because you come talk some bag of foolishness about nutriment.
Yeah, the what? Yeah, the what?
Keep your eye on the road, Clive.
You think say a bad boy, though?
Clive, you want your license now?
Who the bumbuckler name Clive?
I don't.
Stop calling me Clive.
Alright, sorry. Mr. Gyalis in Paris. We know if you speak French. Bonjour, you know what I'm saying? Eh? Un, deux, trois. Alright, let me ask you a question. Let me test you out, see, you know.
Yeah.
Boris Hammond or Sanchez?
Easy, brother. Bears.
Beres?
Yeah, Bears.
A Sanchez.
Yeah, idiot.
A Sanchez. One of the man.
Yeah, sing over song, man. I can't say nothing more Bears.
But the man vocal range and them something, you know.
No matter about that, brother.
The vocal range of Sanchez have
No
no.
matter, brother. Bears, man, creative. The man talented, my youth. As an artist, you can't say nothing about Sanchez sing over song. You take other people talent and sing it over, my youth. You can't sing. But Bears, man, I forgot to take that, brother. I care what you have to say. That me I tell them. That's straight? Yeah. Alright, let me ask you a question, Mr. Brown.
What?
Fried dumpling or boiled dumpling? No, I'm going to find this in the yard, man. Boiled dumpling or fried dumpling? What else?
Brother, I know fried dumpling,
Fry
I
my
say.
bumbuckler.
Fry.
Boiled dumpling.
What? Man, boil
One your head. One
I'm
reason why you
boil
don't like
box.
boiled dumpling because your teeth them soft.
What?
Your dentures them get stuck in it and that's why you don't like it. And boiled dumpling the thing them are you.
You see, I look a young boy feel say because I'm old and me not taking a girl, you know. Oh.
Take girl with gum.
Oh.
The bumbuckler, you don't have teeth.
Because when I deal with the girl, them nipple, me don't need no teeth. Oh. You know your daddy?
Yes,
Because me could have been your daddy, you never know, you know.
Watch what you talk about, you know, brother.
Oh, me just a
Watch what you bumbuckler talk about, but don't talk about my father. Yeah, Mr. Brown?
Alright,
You're pass your place now.
you know what? Because you're a yard man, I'm going to respect all yard man, I'm going to let that slide. Alright? But that is your first one, you hear me I say? You hear me I say? Because coming like some boy want to take bus around here. Oh. You have a metro card? You pass the place, you know?
You're full of joking, brother.
Oh.
You're a comedian, you know?
The only funny man me know around. Whoa.
What you talking? Crash this blood clot.
Me ready for dead, you know? Me ready for dead anytime, you know?
What you say?
Say the word, me ready for dead, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Middle of drive, me not stop a red light. Oh. Boy, this is the last, so me I gonna give you a 1
Well,
plus.
you don't have long to live.
I give you 1 plus.
88?
I give you 1 plus.
Yeah, how much? What is it?
It no matter.
Yeah, give me a plus for what?
I give you a plus point because you stop at the red light.
Oh, yeah, man, is it?
Oh.
Yeah, right now, dog, is it? I rate it, bro.
Alright.
I rate it, dog.
Alright, Mr. Paris. Let me ask you something. Fluffy girl or slim girl?
Fluffy.
Yeah, that me.
I don't know.
The fluffy are the better, dog.
Yeah, I say bunks up in at that time.
Yeah, coming like one big pillow, you know?
Yeah, man.
Comfortable and warm.
Big bed, the blood.
Yeah, them coming like one of them look at the bed there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, squishy and something, you know? And them can cook.
Yeah, fuck.
Yeah, them look at Margo girl, them can cook.
They can't cook.
No, someone just give you.
They got KFC.
Yeah, give you sauce of bread and water and say, MBLs, me cook for you.
Yeah, man.
And them want top box, but on the fluffy girl, whew.
Them, they put them foot in that, you know.
Trust me, dog. You know what? Come. See your potential still. So, you know, you can't go back I driving exam place because, you know, so me not feel no, you know, real yard man, you see me?
That me I tell you from morning, brother.
Yeah, but
Yeah, man, you don't move shaky earlier, brother, but you're good, you know, man.
no, man.
Yeah, good do it, man.
No shaky warrior around here, so.
Yeah, man, you're good do it, brother. You're wrong, boy. Brown?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Alright.
Fast, though.
Yeah, man, don't forget put in a park, you know,
Oh, yeah,
dog.
man, of course, brother.
Alright, look over them something here. Yes, check. Alright, you're good, dog.
Alright, brother.
But what? I have to give you the last Gyalis test. Right?
What on, Mr.
Shensia or mackerel?
Nah, easy one, that, brother.
Yeah.
Shensia.
Shen who? Dog a mackerel, you say on yes, dog. You know, you can't. Them look a pretty girl. Them head big, dog. And the girl them see mackerel one highs over yes, and the next highs over there. So that you need, dog.
No,
boy. Them type of girl you need.
No, dog.
Real Gyalis, no
dog.
Them pretty
No,
girl,
dog.
them can't walk, brother.
No, dog.
No, yes, and no to your license because that's how me know you're not a real Gyalis. Mr. F in a Paris. Thank you, come again. Oh, you're not a Gyalis.